Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how submersible pump manufacturers can significantly improve product quality, efficiency and global competitiveness through ISO systems and engineering standard implementation. If you are a manufacturer, exporter or technical professional in the pump industry, this session will give you practical insights that you can start applying immediately. Section 1, Industry Challenges. Let us begin with the reality of the industry. Many submersible pump manufacturers face common challenges: inconsistent product quality, frequent field failures, high power consumption, rejection during export inspections, lack of structured processes. Often the root cause is not capability, it is the absence of standardized systems and engineering discipline. Without proper implementation of ISO and engineering standards, even good designs fail in execution. Then next is why ISO implementation matters. ISO is not just a certificate, it is a business system. Standards like ISO 9001 quality, ISO 14001 environment, ISO 45001 safety help create a structured and repeatable process. Key benefits include process consistency, reduced rejection and rework, better supplier control, improved customer confidence. For exporters, ISO compliance is often a market entry requirement. The next is engineering standards, the real difference. Now let us talk about engineering standards, the real game changer. In submersible pumps, performance depends on hydraulic design, motor efficiency, material selection, assembly precision. Standards such as IEC and BIS ensure correct performance testing, safety compliance, energy efficiency. For example, a small improvement in impeller design can increase efficiency by 3 to 5%, directly reducing power consumption. There is a major competitive advantage in today's market. Now, section 4, design and performance optimization. Let us go deeper into design. Many manufacturers rely on legacy designs without optimization. We help improve impeller geometry, diffuser design, motor winding efficiency, shaft and bearing life. We also conduct failure analysis to identify root causes such as dry running, voltage fluctuations, poor material quality. This leads to stronger, more reliable products. Section 5, Manufacturing Excellence. Even the best design will fail without proper manufacturing. This is where lean manufacturing and process control come in. Key focus areas: process standardization, line balancing, reduction of cycle time, vendor quality improvement. We implement systems like CAPA, corrective and preventive action, to ensure continuous improvement. The result: lower cost, higher productivity, and consistent quality. Section 6, Testing and Quality Assurance. Testing is not just a final step, it is a validation system. We help set up pump performance testing, head, discharge, efficiency, water testing, load, insulation, temperature rise, calibration systems. A properly designed test setups ensures accurate results, compliance with global standards, customer trust. We support companies in becoming export ready, enabling them to compete in markets like Africa, the Middle East, and Europe. To summarize, success in the pump industry depends on three pillars. First, ISO systems, second, engineering standards, third, process excellence. If you implement these correctly, you will see better product performance, reduced failures, increased customer satisfaction, stronger global presence. If you are looking to transform your manufacturing setup, we are here to support you. Thank you for watching. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more technical and industry focused content. Thank you.